Don't let Cooper know you did that.
Oh, here he comes. Remember, you got twisted to make it go fast.
No, I wanted to play this.
You will?
This is not doing very good.
Hey, Sissy, you're rocking it.
No, she's not. She's going crazy.
Good job, Sid.
You can write it in just a minute, Tatum.
You're going 150 miles an hour. Ooh, that's a bug.
Yeah.
That's down the road, Sid.
Fire.
Whoa! Holy cow, that's a big. Whoa!
I definitely want to do that.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Uh-oh. Look, the road's coming away.
Oh!
That was good. That was good.
You gotta go real fast, remember?
Sissy, you are concentrating hard.
A call.
And Aunt Samantha, you're doing a good job steering. Oh, look, there's your friend. Or maybe not your friend. Boy, this is a long, they play a long time. How much was it, 50?
Still got 15 seconds to get to the checkpoint.
Oh, there it is. I think you're gonna get to it. Yay!